Let's sow our sweet peas. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be sowing our sweet peas. You may have seen a previous video of us sowing some and they've all germinated. They're doing absolutely fantastic in our Oakland root trainer. So we're going to sow some more because sweet peas are so scented, gorgeous, smell beautiful, look gorgeous, and they're perfect for vases and the bees as well. So we're going to get absolutely loads of these growing. So we're going to show you the best way to get them germinated and get growing down at the plot, because it's not as case as just sowing the seeds. You can do a little magic trick to give them that bit of push and hopefully germinate a lot faster. So let's have a look what we're doing. So we've got 3 pots and we've got some water, some clean water as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the seeds in some water to soak for 24 hours. That'll help soften the shells up, which will help them speed up with germination. So yeah, we've got 3 bowls because we've got 3 varieties so that we know which varieties are which. And yeah, let's get them soaking overnight. So there we are, we've put a bit of water in the bottom of each one. So leave them for 24 hours and then we're gonna sow them up and get them potted. So we've had the sweet peas now soaking for 24 hours. So that will have loosened the shells up and it will help speed up germination. Now we're going to be sowing these in our Oakland garden root trainers. Now if you've not seen the video, go and check them out, as they are absolutely brilliant. These are the root trainers which I'm going to be growing them in, and the best thing about these is that they split apart so that you can just take them out and then plant them straight in the ground when they're ready to be planted out once the chance of frost has gone. So that is perfect for growing them in. So we're going to sow these in here and hopefully get some good sweet peas. We've now got already a batch growing. They're all germinating already, so we'll be planting those out around May time when it warms up. So yeah, let's get another batch started and let's get all these sown. We've got some great coloured varieties. I can't wait to see these in flower and smell them down at the plot. So we've got them filled up with compost, so now we need to get the seeds and place them in. We might put 4 seeds in each one, I think, because we need to try and get all them seeds in this root trainer. So we'll give it a try and see how well we get on and succeed. So we've sown all them now and we've put labels in each row so that we know which colours they are when they germinate, because then we can arrange them and hopefully get some nice arrangements growing on the allotment and some nice flowers. So next up is to just give them a water, and then we'll put the propagator lid over the top which comes with it, and we'll put them in our mini greenhouse to start germinating. Put them in our mini greenhouse and what they'll look like in a few weeks is something like this. Look at them, absolutely amazing. They're growing so well in the polytunnel, in the mini greenhouse, absolutely amazing. So hopefully we'll get a good harvest of sweet peas this year down at the plot. I'm absolutely outstanding with how well they're getting on. So make sure you hit that follow button to stay up to date with how well our sweet peas get on. We post a regular weekly video of what's happening in the polytunnel, so stay tuned for that and we'll keep you updated on how well they're growing. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.